Hi, I'm Hope, and here we are captivating a godly home inside and out through Christ Jesus. I hope you enjoy the channel. Welcome, and I hope you have a blessed day. Okay, y'all, so I really like these, and I really like these. I was trying to prop my phone up so you guys can see, but what do you think these look like in those vases? 5 cents. The vase is 5 cents.
I don't know.
You might be fine. the ones from Hearth and Hand. Is it Hearth and Hand? Those, the ones that I got. I don't know. I was gonna kind of go with some long ones, but they might be fine if you manipulate them. I was gonna go with some longer ones, like from the ones we're looking at in Kirklands. We probably need to go to Hobby Lobby. What you doing, Booker? Hey y'all, I hope you guys are doing great. I am doing wonderful. So Mama and I went out to Kirklands, Michael's, Target, and Marshall's. So Mama sat in the car when I went to Marshall's. I was looking for the Juicy Couture purses, a certain particular purse. I want that purse that I'd rather trade in several of my purses to get that purse. But anyway, I probably missed it. But I didn't really plan on getting any fall items, but I did see a fall wreath at Kirkland's, but I needed to see it in person, and it was a little bit smaller than I wanted for my door. So before I hit the bullet or press the bullet or whatever, I wanted to check out Michael's because they had additional 25% off that ended today. So it ended up being like 65% off, but really, y'all, I think they finagled it. And, you know, these are probably the prices that probably like a couple of years ago, it would have been $10 cheaper. So all these flowers or foliage, y'all, is, let's see, it came to about $100. And I am very pleased. It took us a minute. We was in there for a good minute now to figure out what we wanted and so forth. And I know I needed some new stuff. I didn't want like the I wanted something a little bit more neutral. And so anyway, let me show you what I got. I ended up spending $75 with the additional 25% off. So anyway, the first thing that I did pick up, and it's getting like all on my counter, but that's expected. So this here, it was $9.99 and it was 40% off with additional 25% off. So I don't know exactly what that was, y'all. So I got 2 of these. And they have some really pretty colors. Like if you got a fall wedding or baby shower, really pretty. Because I saw some pumpkins, like one like this, but it had like roses in it, and it had mauves and navy blues, and just so pretty. So I did get this one. This one was $12.99. I ended up getting 3 of these. And what I do is, for years, I would try to recreate those same foliage, you know, or flowers, and don't try not to buy anything. But I done messed with, I shouldn't say messed around, but I have shot with Michael's for so long with their flowers that they do nothing but recreate the same flowers but different colors or whatever. Because let me show y'all. I was recording. So see, these were like springtime, I want to say, y'all. I didn't change it for the summer. And these look very similar. I want to say they're the same. So I was in the store like, okay, I know they're probably brighter, but my colors in my living room or area is like gray, this cream color, and also gold. And I kind of like that. I do need to repaint all my walls because gray is out. But I ain't got time for that right now in school, and that took a lot of work. And I got so much other stuff to do. So I'm going to eventually do it, though. So anyway, I did get this one. It was part of, they had like some fall, they call it fall basic bushes. And they were $5.99. So, yeah, $5.99. They're kind of all grouped together. And this was another one, and instead of getting 2 of the same, I thought I could mix this up and put it with this one over here with these pumpkins and so forth. And this probably will go in my kitchen in these little these little vases that's sitting everywhere. Okay, so these taller ones, Mom and I went towards the back of the store because I told her that's where I got these other ones. Hold on, y'all, because I was getting ready to go upstairs and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and record this. So this one here, I got this, I think around springtime. Yeah, or early springtime this year. And I don't know how many picks that is. I told Mom I need to make, you know, count how many. I want to say it's like 3 in each one. And that worked really well. And so I just wanted to change those out and just put the other ones in. So I'm not going to do a whole, I don't plan on doing a whole lot. We'll just see. So this was $9.99 and I did get 3 of these and I like this. It, you know, some of them was a little bit too green. That I wanted some greenery, but I wanted it also to be like a gold and also like a neutral color. This is my first, I want to say, what's this called? Pompous. And I got this one. It had a lighter color, like a white, very pretty for a fall wedding or something like that. But I got 3 of these, and this was the deluxe bush. It was $9.99, 40% off of that, plus an additional 25% off. And then these here. So I think Mama got all, I think she got 5 of these bushes. I got 3 and it wasn't enough for all of us. So I just thought I would mix it with this and I can make it work. And so hopefully that will look just as nice in that vase. I don't think I'm gonna do too much other than switch out the vases. Let's see. This was $5.99, believe it or not. And I think it ended up like what 40% off, like $3. Just I scanned it for us, then additional 25% off. So that was all my little foliage. I really do want a new wreath. I did see some at Michael's, so I may, not Michael's, Marshall's. So I may go back and see what they had or what they're gonna put out, because they did have lots of bins, but they were super busy. I also saw a runner that I wanted at for the table at Marshall's. So at Marshall's, y'all, this stuff is just coming everywhere. I end up getting this Ralph Lauren 3 kitchen towels, and I thought it was super cute. It has the yellows, and I have like the little accents throughout my living room and so forth. I probably actually need to look for some pillows. Yeah, because I got some pillow covers from IKEA, but Josiah really tore one up. And so anyway, this is $12.99 from Marshall's. I went in there again looking for the Juicy Couture purses. And I didn't want to wait on this because I knew that it will be gone. That particular one. If the runner's gone, I can figure something out. But I really need to pull out my fall stuff and see what I have. Okay, y'all. So I needed a new pan. If you watched that video where I did all the beautiful stuff, I still can do a review on that. I had a pan, I think the frying pan, the smallest one, that one got, let's see, stuff started sticking to that one really early. The other one is fine, but I did get an Aldi pan the other day, and then I got this pan because I remember this was one of my favorites to cook in all the time, and it lasts a long time. So the brand is DW. I don't remember when I did that video if it was DW.